How to buy a bundle on Vinted. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you and teach you how you can buy a bundle on Vinted. So how do you get about it? The first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Vinted page automatically. On this page, you can see several items that you can get on Vinted. So the next thing to do on getting a Vinted is by adding as many items as you can to your favorite lists. Mind you, not just any kind of item, but the items of a particular seller. All right, you can add items you are interested in to your liked list by tapping on the add icon, and then the first step is by identifying the seller that you would like to buy from, and then you can just go ahead and add to your favorite list by moving to the left side of the screen under the product details page, and then just click on the favorite icon. And then once you see the seller again, you can just continue to like the items. And then after liking the items, the next thing to do is to move to the seller's profiles page. On the seller's profiles page, you'll find an option to create a bundle. So just go to the seller's page. Okay, to go to the seller's page, just scroll down and then click on the seller's username. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the seller's page. On this page, you can now see the option create a bundle. And you can click on the more option button in here, or you can just click on see more. And then so on this page, you can see the option shop bundles, right? You can either see shop bundles or create a bundle. So just click on shop bundles. And after clicking on that, you'll be brought to another page where you'll be asked to build a bundle. And as you can see, the items that have been added to my favorites are the ones that are being displayed first. So that is the essence. Then you can go ahead and add other items to it, to the bundle. And then once you're done adding the items, you'll be able to click on the request bundle option. All right, but first of all, you have to cancel this. Okay, we'll go back, shop bundles, then wait for it to load. Now that it has loaded, you can now click on add, 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 and then once you're ready, click on request a bundle, and then you wait patiently for it to load as well. So once you click on request a bundle, a message has been sent to the seller, and then you wait for the approval. Once the approval has been made, you can now go ahead and make payment, and from there you'll be able to buy the bundle. So this is basically how you can buy a bundle on Vinted. It is very simple. I'm sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.